I would say the benefits of Read&Write Gold to a business as a whole would be that staff are working to their best potential, which ideally is what companies want. But at the same time, people are getting job satisfaction, regardless of their underlying difficulties.
Transport for London has an equality policy called the Disability Equality Scheme, and part of that programme is to introduce reasonable adjustments for any staff that need those to bring their environment up to a level where they're actively removing barriers for them to work. I'm the Vice Chair for the Staff Network Group for Disability, and their role is to support staff members to highlight and help solve issues and to challenge some of the strategic decisions being made at TFL.
It's surprising the amount of people that have reading problems. It's thought about 1 in 6, and also about 20% of working age people have a reading problem.
I did a straw poll within my team. There's 30 people within my team, and 3 told me they were dyslexic, but only actually 1 had declared they were actually dyslexic.
Dyslexia is a problem with processing language and with short-term memory. A side effect of that is often a difficulty with literacy. So depending on what the person's job is, their dyslexia may manifest in different ways. I recommended Read&Write Gold because it was something I'd worked with a lot in the world of education, and I could see the software would work well in the workplace.
The rollout of Read&Write Gold really was a first. It was a strategic approach rather than the one-to-one approach. It brought together a lot of different departments from within TFL's arena, and it's now set a precedent for rolling out other reasonable adjustment software on a centralised basis.
We've been investing in the tubes, improving tracks and trains.
The attraction for us for Read&Write Gold, I think, was the combination of the technical support that TextHelp provides us for both integration and the ongoing maintenance support. That also came along with a Train the Trainers programme, enabled us to train 7 people within TFL to provide local support. And also at the end of the phone, TextHelp was available in their offices to provide office hours support.
TFL having a corporate licence for Read&Write Gold has made a really big difference, because it's given us the freedom really to offer it to staff if they're dyslexic, or if they just think they are, or if they've got a reading difficulty for another reason, such as their personal background or because English is a second or third language to them. We can recommend staff to have it put on their computer desktop and have access to it, whether they're dyslexic or not. It means we can offer it to them to try and see if it's a solution that works for them. It normalises something that once was marginalised, in that people would have a piece of specialist software and it would point the finger at them automatically that there was something different going on for them. Whereas we've got a situation where all staff in a department could have access to the software, and it's just become a normal part of people's working day.
I find Read&Write Gold has actually helped me to do things faster and more accurately, so therefore it's a lot easier for me to do my job and sort of to basically keep up with the fast pace of working life.